Watch. Well, it's not a plan. You know, a franchise is choosing 10 sergeant. But they are representing dancehall now. I don't know how hard to I'm dealing with it. But they know my company tonight. You don't know me from what me love me go on. Because my system in general fix up some people. One night they fix. You know what I mean? The man done it in the morning and a day fix. You know what I mean? And a proper fix. You know what I mean? And some general deal with things. And some come for deal with it. Because you hear me? The second when you talk general, you don't know anything where you say a law, anything where you say in a dancehall a law. And any boy say that on a law, you don't know where you forgot to chuck off. But when you respond to them come and talk, when general and law boy follow and take orders and listen instruction, otherwise boy get court martial. If him boy like him want this or the orders. You hear me say general? Well that happening in Jamaica because enough boy have belly liquor. You see all of them really this jockey boy them. Enough of them the general and man them take the money and a mind. You hear that? Because you see this jockey them on the radio, them hearing dancehall underground thing. You know what I mean? So if a man now come with money forward to them now play the youth them song. So if a youth now have a big manager behind them back, if you go around and a grease them boy, them want weekly or monthly like say them and them woman and them yard. Them not play no man music and I like one time in the 90s when a man had drop a big body with it. And when time GT Taylor and them man they come out and Saturday morning and all them things they are big and them man they play every single tune on the rhythm because every single tune on the rhythm hit. When Dry Ride and all them rhythm they are play and Pepper Seed every single tune on that hit and every tune get played. You know what I mean? Violate them more than violate enough local young artists. Because I tell you something my general, them pussy there, them see them boy, they violate style. You hear that? Them see them this jockey boy, they take money from man for all long the youth career. You hear that? Because now I say something general. Tell me, all of them look at you the way they find their forefront. Right now, I'm not this none of them. Which one of them bad dance line? Which one of them boy dance like talk the truth general? None of them boy they now kind of general, you're the general for dancehall, you're a dancehall who got it. So you're supposed to know enough. Tell me which one of them angel there up on the forefront look at you, you're coming a dancehall. Tell me which one of them bad dance like. And which one of them lyrical and versatile and them same this jockey boy that went on the back. Same thing like all them other IR and K-Queen. General, I just look at the boy them hold on by your visa like. Because them don't need a hit song for it. I know that. Because you don't spend your money and carry them by your own tour. Like how you always do. I now forgot I had the first one carry sign by Europe. All over Europe and Sheraton. All more bother to. When enough of them there for know that. And you carry busy idea and a cartel. The whole of them you carry them back. And you go south cartel and New York and make cartel big and Brooklyn. Enough boy there, I know that. You hear me? Enough boy have them visa and chat up them boy. The thing them can't come and Brooklyn, come nowhere. Like where you can go. Eh? What kind of juice if you play? Them boy then I see the double platinum with Web Stephanie. One more juice if you go for free. It's a Jamaican artist I bring that home, you know, get to you, you know. We are talking about, you see the double platinum, one more juice boy left for play. Eh? Why you think we play? Why you think we do? Poor people fed up and all of them songs there. One more juice we need for play. Eh? Why one more you know them ban all them big time songs there? One more juice them there. Then the boy need to listen to catalog in the general because them boy think it's a lollipop thing, you know. You know what I mean? Onto them boy there. And when Alliance are on the street, we never walk up, broke up people, you know, that's why them people go there and go like that in a general. So if we don't walk up, broke them up, I think them could have do that. Eh? The boy that know them place, I'm not going to tell you something general. Not for them boy that way sick, but them play music, for a radio station, you know what I mean, and I hide there in the studio and them, not for them a pussy in a clean clothes, you hear that? For real, them not no respect for the road, they're not telling that. Enough of them just like some local boy where you know. Them run go put on them clean clothes and them not beard. Them a pussy in a clean clothes general. All of them this jockey boy. Violate enough young boy. Warm to Jimland. I want him no good again, Latin no good again. I play them pussy then I play Latin music. I tell you that. You know what I mean? I see any core thought never stand up play and massacre. Who know I get that play? You know what I mean? And them go do the tune with Vybz Kartel say you want build publicity. You know what I mean? And build fans. And you don't know the general can't come and say, can't up on them time and Sunfest and Jill Weekend and that shot him off to the world. Right now, I'm not even a more underground artist because I'm about all various places that do him shit. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, and that shot him to the world and give the confidence and that give the people them the confidence. Feel all a real film and a cheer film just because the general bring him forefront and shell it. You know what I mean? General, tell us something. I really me say something today. And that's why I'm going to come and blast on this. You see after you're gone, you don't see no more general in a dance. And I lie out tell you now. Because none of them don't stand for where you stand. Enough of them, you know. Enough of them where you see them. So buy you out, you know. Enough of them are Judas like where you see them. And them do anything for money, you know. The whole of them. Do anything at all for money. So it really matter what kind of song you are doing forward. You know what I mean? As long as it can make some buzz, get buzz in other place, get some viewers and papers, so never boy satisfied with that. General them boy they don't know it like you know, they don't know the hardcore dancer. Where I think on the time they see me come out on the train they see me there or on some rooftop or in some upper corner and everything. Because some of them know dancer. I want to show no man picture on my phone. They say me I do a debut at all. Me I talk about dancehall and I show my dancehall. Me I chat about it. If you see what me I talk, you know what I mean? You know who me I'm going to kill. You know what I mean? I have to show killer picture on this. If I talk no good with killer there, you know who me I'm going to kill. Watch me. Watch my mouth. Watch my body language. Watch the fucking way how me I go on. You hear me? Because I'm a lollipop thing. You know what I mean? As I said, general, them are pussy. Them distracted one. Them are pussy in a clean clothes. I tell them are pussy in a them BMW and them so. And boy, you know that not because they have them thing they think man are going to rate or not. I'm going to tell you a junglist bring fashion in a badness. Willie God come to Jamaica and bring fashion in a badness. You hear that? So I want to feel like that you have a clean clothes and think man rate to know some top that bar, some movie star and a pussy and a clean clothes. Them pussy the world long style, them same pussy the world long IR and cake queen them. None of them like IR and a bad and them bad them no bad. Pussy. Don't give them boy their money general. You don't have to give them boy the money for go boy. No look for you. You know what I mean? You're the general for dancer. You are supposed to run with their thing. Quick. Yeah, quick and fast and quick. They know what the general. Eh? What kind of Jews you know? They go on a Lucky Alliance now walk and break up people in the board. And then they hold up on the new them tune and play a whole and feel like and play a whole again. So young general, I love that thing the way you look today, you know. The vex so I never be in news, they are not give them it straight like that. You know that. Because you know one general in a dance hall and we say one vice pussy, you know that. I never hear killer come and say, tell me they know, don't say that. But killer say one voice, I don't remember that pussy, you hear that? One general, one voice. You hear that dancer, God, you hear that? Now, clown to this, you hear me? You can't find the general thing, not that pussy. So I do that hold back IR and cake, the general soon get back at the visa. Pussy, I'm not sure enough. See how you put an eye, wait till when the general get back in the see something. You hear that? And I go like on have me in the business. Because I go on and hear a chat like on the hand and put it in the general. The general get back in the chat. Pussy all you have to go running from Florida. Tell you that. Watch. Don't know the world, it's not a plan. You know, a franchise is changing. 10-star general. Watch.